Hey everybody, welcome back. This video is about the Project One Runway, um, the sewing slash quilting machine. Now, when I got this machine, maybe about 6 years ago, I want to say, I was just wanting it for sewing. Later on, I developed the desire to be able to quilt. And so I was just like, before all of this pandemic stuff started happening, before all of that, I was saying that I was going to get me a quilting machine. So I looked at it and it says sewing slash quilting. So I was like, oh my goodness, I don't have to get another machine. I can quilt with this one. So um, I looked at all of the things that comes in these little things. I know it comes other other foots come in there and stuff like that. But I didn't see. I think this was the one for. You gotta excuse me. I have this one for my embroidery. One of them for my embroidery machine. The other one is for the sewing machine. And then I have another one for my singer machine. So I don't know which packet is which. So I looked in here and I was like, I don't see anything that looks like a quilting foot in here. And then I read on the manual, it helps to read. Um, but I read in the manual that it doesn't come with one. The quilting foot is going to be separate. You're gonna have to purchase it separate. So that's what I did. I purchased these from Amazon. I got two kinds just in case, because they was like, I want to say like between less than $10. I know that. Quilting foots that you need, if they did not come with your machine, maybe the more modern ones. Like I said, I bought this machine like 6 years ago. I think it was 6 years, and so it didn't include it. Maybe the newer ones do. I'm not sure, but right now I'm pretty sure. Oh, excuse my nail. I'm pretty sure that a lot of things are just hard to come by nowadays. So here is the method on how to, or the process on how to take this foot off and to put your walking foot on. Now this was, you can either leave this on here, and how I took that off, there's a little lever on the back. You see that little black thing? And you gotta excuse the jump. This released the foot that was on there. And this is just a regular foot that comes with the machine. So this little screw right here is going to need to come off. So I'm going to need to use one of the little screwdrivers in here and unscrew. It's not in this one. Unscrew the shank. That's what you call it, the shank. The shank off, because it doesn't come off like this. So you're going to take this and you're going to unscrew it. Let's see if I can do it with the camera in my hand. Yeah. So this comes off, no biggie. Take your piece, and I'm using the one that's enclosed. No, let me use the one that's open. And you are going to so that these two little pieces are hugging this bar right here. So let me stop the camera and let me show you guys by screwing it in. Alright, so I tightened up the screw. This is supposed to be up here above this bar. So if it's below the bar, you don't have this part in right. Just the trick is just making sure that this hug is hugging this little bar right here. So, and then screw this in as tight as possible, and then it'll straighten up. So now you put the quilting foot on, and that is how you do it. So, and before you think you're finished, there's a little button on the back. And this feed dogs down right here. These are the feed dogs. This lets this down. So watch me now. And I'm about to move the button. That's a little hard, but you see how they went down? So they're up now. Then they're down. So when you're quilting, they go down. I hope you guys saw it. And how you change it back, you unscrew this, and this will just fall off. Then you're going to put the shank back on first. There you go. You're going to put the shank back on first, and it goes like this. With this regular person foot up under it. And this kind of snaps in this place right here. So that is how you do that. Okay.